Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively replace the battery in your HP Pavilion 15-BC45ENS. First, power off your laptop completely and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during the replacement process. Next, flip the laptop over to access the bottom panel. You will notice several screws securing the panel in place. Using your Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the bottom panel. Start at one corner and work your way around the edges. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. After successfully removing the panel, set it aside and take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the internal components. This is a good practice to maintain your laptop's performance. Now, locate the battery. It is typically secured by a few screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws and keep them with the others. Once the screws are out, gently disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. This may require a bit of wiggling, so be patient and avoid using excessive force. With the old battery removed, it's time to install the new one. Align the new battery with the connector and gently press it into place. Make sure it fits snugly and securely. After that, reattach the screws you previously removed to secure the battery in place. Before replacing the bottom panel, it's a good idea to double-check that everything is connected properly. If you're unsure or don't have the tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This can save you time and ensure your laptop is in good hands. Now, carefully place the bottom panel back onto the laptop. Align it properly and press down until you hear the clip snap into place. Reinsert the screws to secure the panel, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so, as this could strip the screws. Finally, flip the laptop back over and connect it to the power source. Power it on and check if the new battery is recognized. You can do this by going to the battery settings in your operating system. If everything looks good, you've successfully replaced the battery. If you prefer not to handle this yourself, we also offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about calls or travel. Plus, you'll receive a quote before any repair work is done, ensuring transparency in our services. Thank you for following this guide, and we hope it has been helpful in replacing your HP Pavilion 15-BC45ENS battery. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.